boy. Me know a friend who kill a friend. Me know business with it.
Every day they are casa boda and Kwamel complimentasi.
Hey boy, where the driver there?
Yo, I can't keep.
Alright, hold on. You soon come.
Good driver, do not come home.
Get your money up, Rasta. Get your dollar. I really wish life could have reset.
Well, Oblan, hey, yo, why? I did a long time I pack. I did wait for you, but hold on.
Alright, take off in the safe, alright?
Hey, we love you, Rasta.
That's your last year.
I live off his cabla on America.
Hey,
Every day they are.
listen,
Hey boy, hold on.
and tell the camera go, but model. What's the door? Why you boys? Why you there like that? You order me, but no, you order me long time. I can't there like 5 to 10 minutes now. Oh, but mobile feel wagwan.
Boy, move the bomber.
Listen, wagwan people, how the fuck you think we got the name BOMBO MARLEY?
Let it. Give me a little time. Let me clear up my mind. Right through. Let me call you back. Sir, how much for that?
23.
23.
Yeah.
Alright. Me now have it. Let me take it inside right through.
23 when you are inside. 23 cities say oh you are inside. You waste my time. See, I can't park like 10 minutes.
Sir, me now have it right now. Hold on. Let me take it inside right through.
See, I know people like you, I know people like you. Catch I know you what's mine.
Why you mean people like me? Why you judge me by my looks?
I know they judge you.
Hold on. Come here soon. Come. I could have killed a lot.
Oh, why Egbe?
Why you judge me by my looks?
Hey. Boy, I know what to what. Go and drum the wall. This house, if you know they look like house where you day inside you. A bunch of four, but if you try, unless you be what you say you be, you. Lobano.
Two eyes so dropping for chatter. If I make a big matter.
Every time they.
Alright, you have it, man.
Maybe 23. I'll give you 2 cents.
God have mercy upon us.
Provision store to know they are around way that will change.
Stop that foolishness, young man. What you mean? This not look good.
Wait, 2 cents.
Boy, go suck your mother.
Go suck your hand.
Go suck it.
Go suck it. You want to unrubber. I'm